welcome back to another video. Today we got snow on the ground, but it's not a lot of snow, and we got the snowmobile just sitting outside from the last snowfall. Earlier this year we only had like a foot. It melted in like 2 days, so couldn't make a video, guys. Sorry, but this thing, we're I don't know if next video or the next, because we should get more snow. I'm gonna order some new skis. I'm getting new battery for this thing. What else? And maybe a wrap. If you guys can get me to 600 subscribers, maybe in like a month, not even a month. If you get more than a month, I will be selling Brap 701 stickers coming out here the next month. Shop is gonna be open. Be selling these, so make sure you get one of those. They'll be out here. So I'm gonna get that ready to go, and then if we do good on stickers, comment down below what should we do next. Hats, shirts, maybe shorts, whatever you guys think, or sunglasses, whatever you guys want. Comment down below, and whoever gets the most votes, we will do next after these stickers. So in today's video, we're gonna be just ripping it down there. Be ripping it with the four-wheeler and dirt bike. It's kind of cold out here, but we got drifts, so there's some drifts down there. So get ready. We're gonna do this. Let's get ready.
Hey yo, the rain was steady pouring, heard the drops, and drizzle meant to be. Chilling in my crib, no doubt.
Get that thing warmed up, and next video, hopefully we're gonna get studs for my bike. We're gonna be going on the ice this year. I think I told you that, but we're gonna get new wheels and tires. I think we're gonna put studs on these ones because these are a little worn out, but then we're gonna get new ones with black rims and then new tires. But we're gonna get this one ripped. The roads are icy, so we can't go on that, but we're gonna go on the back and rip it up. See you guys there. Kinda melting. Snow out back there. Hopefully it's good. Hopefully, I'm not saying it's good, but been back here earlier. I'm gonna see how good the snow is. It's pretty fun, like it's really slippery. Is running pretty good. I do want to put studs on this one, but the tires these days, wheels, is pretty expensive, especially for these little ones. So let's get some more shots. Here we go.
So I answered it. And with Jermaine, he had a little situation. Beef up on the block, and orthodox that led the confrontation. He said these cats be acting hard on the block, and they be pumping weight and holding, so Dwayne got shot. Now see, Dwayne was just a knucklehead, but still with his cousin. And I'd be wrong if I ain't help him when his beef, he gon' rush him. He said, listen, homie, ain't no time for this. rising and it's boiling the bussin'. So if you with me, then you with me, nigga, make a decision. Got the bait, you be the hook, cause we's about to go fishing. Now listen, when it's on, then it's on for show. Kiss my girl up on the head and in the wind out the door. Stunned up in the dark, it comes to light. So always play your part, and say goodnight. Stunned up in the dark, it comes to light.
Alright, so we're gonna go up and do some, try to do some 360s on the ice. Do it. Alright, let's go rip this thing on the ice again. I keep getting lost traction. Look at that. That's not. This is ice. Someone went off the road. Look at this is all water now, guys. I didn't want to get water, but I guess I got to. This really sucks, guys. That's the ice that hopefully next video we're gonna get snow and it's gonna get really cold that it's gonna be thick enough for us to get on the ice. And there's people that make tracks, so we're gonna be seeing shifted carts, and it's gonna be a blast, guys. So if you guys want to see that, hit the like and subscribe button, because I don't want to miss that either. So stay tuned, and we're gonna see you guys back at the house. Alright, guys, thank you for watching today's video, and it's kind of short and just brought up thing to do because, or video to do, because we just got snow and some ice, but now it's melting. And I've never experienced that because here in North Dakota it's usually negatives, but it gets to 30 to 40 now in December, so I don't get that. And why there's no snow, but there will be ice and studs. We're going on the ice next video. Stay tuned, like and subscribe, and if you guys want some stickers, it's coming out less than a month. Get ready, and then comment down below right now what you want to see out to buy next, other than stickers, either sunglasses, keychains, whatever you guys want. Comment down below, and whoever gets the higher bid and voting, I will do that first. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys on the ice next time.